Stop getting the wrong advice. Ensure you get the right skills for the right job for jobs in the Middle East. Contact Loy Macedo.
I know you're looking at me and myself, hey, Loy is wearing a shirt. What the hell? Loy is no bandana. What the hell? I just finished work with 2 clients. Really big guys. Very big. And they pay me also good money. This good money in the sense what a person would earn for 1 month of work. These guys, they pay me in 1 hour. So when a VIP customer books a session with big money, you know, everything else stops. So I had 2 clients, and after I finished my run, instead of making my video, which I normally make, that's why you see me with a bandana and without a shirt. Instead of that, I went, got ready, told my wife sandwiches and black coffee, need to be sharp. Finished the session. I'm happy. They always pay the money in advance. So I showed my wife. She's like, yay, we made big money. And however, when I tell people I make big money, they're like, what the fuck, it's not possible. And like, for example, if I tell people, okay, this guy paid me $1,500 for 1 hour, I say, that's fucking rubbish. That's nonsense. It's rubbish because you have not done it. Question is, why should someone pay? What is there? But what you don't notice is the work that goes at the background. Like, for example, let me ask you, did you notice that yesterday there was no video? Just check my videos, check the date. After that transgender female, that video, the following day there was no video. Do you know why? Well, the reason was I was completely destroyed yesterday. It's like, to give you an example, when I get up in the morning, I get up, have a black coffee, take down my notes, go for my run, make the videos, and throughout the day sit and, edit the videos while talking to customers, while uploading, while doing all my work. Now the thing is, I'm a self-employed. There's no boss. I decide my time, I decide my rules, I decide my work. And the only drawback here is you don't know when to stop. The good part is, when you make money, you make shitloads of it. But the drawback to it is, you don't know where to draw the line, you don't know when to stop. Over the past couple of days now, I've been working myself to exhaustion. I've been so tired, yeah. It's like when I want to take a break, all of a sudden there is, oh, okay, you can put this post. Oh, okay, you can share this. Oh, you can say this. Oh, there is another quotation. Oh, there is another client call. And then when you sit down exhausted, you're like, what'll I do? Just go to sleep? Okay, let me play a game. And then when you wake up, because your mind is fresh, you want to do work. If I get up and I start playing a game, I'm wasting my productive, kind of energy wasting my attention. So it's not good. So what I do is, when I'm fresh, work. And throughout the day, work. Then when I'm completely tired, exhausted, okay, now I'll play a game. But what happens is, because of this, your sleep pattern gets so fucked. Yeah. You hardly get sleep. And I have this habit of pushing myself to the limit whereby I don't know when to stop. And that's where the body can't take it anymore. You know, yesterday I was so exhausted. I got up, I was like a zombie, and even after I drank coffee, I was like, I'm not keeping too well. I crashed. Imagine, I woke up after sleep and I got up and I crashed. And I got up again. Told my wife, okay, let me have a watermelon, and my energy, let it go up. After some time again, got dizzy and crashed. I got up the third time. This time I sat down, I thought, okay, it's a bit too late to go for exercise, because it was getting dark and I was like, I'm not feeling like it. So I ate some food, thought, okay, I'll do videos. But then I started feeling tired and exhausted, and once again went to sleep. Got up again. My wife said, are you feeling okay because you've been sleeping? I said, I'm just tired. I just had a little fruit juice. Again went to sleep. I think the final time I woke up, and now I was feeling a little okay. I took my wife and this thing, went to 7-Eleven, came back. And there I was little okay. Just put a few posts, you must have seen. There was no video yesterday, only a few posts. And then went to sleep again. And today obviously I had my client call, so I had to keep myself active. The thing is, most people, they don't know what goes at the back end. To earn this kind of big money, per hour you get so much. There's a lot of work involved. It's not, I'm not complaining about my work. I love my work. I'm blessed that I can work. I'm blessed that I can make money. I'm blessed that I can live this life. But the problem is, because of this, the sleep pattern, I work myself so much that I go to the point of exhaustion. I've told my wife, I'm pretty sure I'm going to die one day due to overwork. I'm going to die because I push myself to the limit, I don't know, man. The problem is, if you sleep, yeah, you need sleep to recuperate, but you don't achieve anything when you sleep. So that is why, creative people and people who want to achieve something, they don't actually spend their time sleeping. They don't think sleep is important. And people like me, we don't want to sleep, just don't want to sleep. We always want to push ourselves and keep working and non-stop. And if we can reduce even 1 hour of sleep and work 1 hour more, or if possible not sleep at all and keep doing something, I'm sure we'll do that non-stop. Because end of the day, working is what pays your bills, not sleeping, So, but I'll tell you, this may be a drawback from my end, but the fact is, you need sleep. The fact is, you must sleep. Sleep is so underrated. People don't think of it. When we're young, we just like to fuck around and hardly sleep and go clubbing. But even though I may say that yes, you need sleep, I'm not able to sleep. I want to do work. I want to earn money. I just feel sometimes 24 hours is too less. Sometimes I wish we would never need sleep, Really. So, sometimes I wish we as human beings would never need sleep. I know sleep is necessary to recuperate your body. I don't know, how many hours you sleep? You tell me, enlighten me. How many hours you sleep? Minimum. I don't want to sleep, man. It's crazy. But you have to, because if you don't sleep, you get fucked. For me, yesterday I was completely gone. Completely gone. I know I've put many time videos, burnout and this and that. I'm still feeling the effects today. Even today my head is heavy as a rock, you know. Anyway, just thought I'd share this with you. I think we creative people like to work until we are exhausted. Anyway, let me know how many hours you sleep. How many hours do you get sleep? And any tips or anything? For me, it's really a challenge, especially when you have this baby. And I sometimes envy my baby. When she sleeps, she's knocked out. She's a deep sleeper, but me, I'm a light sleeper. And the problem is, I work odd hours. They get up whenever they like. So my baby is loud, really loud. And that's a part of having a family, I guess. Anyway, thought I'd share this with you. Let me know how many hours you sleep and how do you get sleep, man. I find it so tough. In fact, I don't want to sleep. Because one day, anyway, sleep permanently, you know. Dead. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright? Guys, take care.